2014 Ford Expedition, 5.4 liter beast. What we got done on it, factory converters, there and there. Then it wires into a single. He's been watching our channel for a few years. He says he's watched every video. So we put him a FLOWMASTER Super 44, part number 942445, right there. Then we left his tailpipe, 3-inch tailpipe out the back, and put him a 4-inch double wall tip, right there. Roll tip, I mean. So there'll be a link in the description for the FLOWMASTER and the tip. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. There's the muffler and tip we cut off, guys. We replaced it. Go ahead. You didn't want it too loud. Sound decibels? So about 95, because it's on the other side. 95, 97, that's perfect. Anything under 100 is nice, you know? Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. What do you guys think? I like it. It's not too bad. Ford Expedition EL edition. Extra large. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Expedition. I'm like, where did that come from? FLOWMASTER Super 44. Nice. All right. Enjoy, guys.